Ladies and gentlemen, Kim here. Welcome to the daily update. Hope you guys had a good day trading. Today, market is up about 1.4%. There, on the S&P Nasdaq 1.5%. Semiconductor did the same. Dow 1.1. Russell 2000. Transport, banks, energy, biotech, healthcare, home builders, utilities, retail. Every single sectors are green today, except the fact the emerging market is the only sector with the green red number. Bitcoin, gold, silver miners are up, dollar down, oil up, treasury bond up. VIX is down a little bit. Let's stick with S&P 500 ETF. Spider! 65-minute chart here. So this is where we closed yesterday. It looks like we actually saw a slight gap up here, as you can see on that first hour. And what we talked about in the last night's update is that we needed to get above the micro and the short-term moving average, because in the past, when the buyers have to recoup and reclaim the micro-term and the short-term moving average, that was the recipe for moving higher for at least 2 to 3 days here, as you can see. And that's exactly what buyers needed to do. As you can see here on that first hour with that thrust, they were able to get above the micro term and the short term moving average here on the second hour. We stepped higher using the short term moving average as new support. And then you can do third hour, fourth hour, fifth hour, the market continued to march higher.
America, 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 fuck yeah, coming again to save the motherfucking day, yeah.
Coming all day from the 22nd of this month. As you can see, that rising uptrend support is holding here very quickly. And another thing that buyers were able to do today with this upturn, there was that down gap that was open yesterday. That down gap is now fully filled, and we were able to actually fill that down gap and thrust it above it. So we did not see any kind of resistance when the down gap is filled. So we're showing rather strong bullish characteristics here going into tomorrow. Currently, micro-term moving average is residing, as you can see here, 404, right? And 403 is that level of pivot. And then just underneath that 403 is that short-term moving average. And not to mention, we got the rising uptrend support just in that vicinity as well. So we have a lot of support levels that buyers are working with, right? Horizontal pivot. We got the micro, short term, the rising uptrend support. All those levels going to provide that support for the bulls should there be any kind of slide going into tomorrow. Let's check out that oscillator. So as you can see, we talked a lot about this just last week and this week, right? Where the market got into that overbought zone here, and here. And my worry was that, bulls are dealing with very strong resistance level at 410 and 411. Yes. So when the bulls did make that move, right, just a couple days ago, because we're doing such a strong resistance, I did mention a couple sessions ago that it might be better strategy for the bulls, because if they keep pushing higher to get to 411, while the oscillator hitting that extreme overbought zone, that means bulls are tired. Bulls really do not want to face the boss bears while they're tired. So I suggested that maybe the better strategy for the bulls is that to maybe a pullback, have that oscillator reset, and then get to the 410, 411 area and battle with the boss bears while, right? As you can see, while they have a full energy capability right here. So this is the best strategy bulls can do, because now as the bulls march higher to battle with the boss bears for that 410, 411, right? That's the bears current command center, right? This is the level since September of last year where the boss bears been sending out the bear troops and really hackling the bulls down, right? From 411 to it went down to 350. That's what 410, 411 resistance all about. And there are multiple attempts from the buyers to break above this 410 level, and they miserably failed, as you can see right here.
Perfect.
Right back in September, trading at 410, boss bear showed up and reclaimed that level and completely shut down the bulls. Bulls gathered that momentum one more time, got back up, failed, tried it again, failed, and then bulls came back down again. And this is actually the third time bulls are trying again. Here, they're really, strategically making this move where when they go and face the boss bears at 410, they want to make sure they have all the energy, right? And that's exactly what they've done here. They have all the energy. We're talking at least 2 days of running, fighting, battling, capacity, capabilities here, with this oscillator just crossing up just today. So this is much better condition that bulls are in, and versus when the bulls trying to get up here. You see what I'm saying? Because it was already hitting that overbought zone. So if they would have got close to 410 while they're tired, bears could have just shot them down heavily. But now I think bulls got all this firepower.
Okay, so what do you need besides a miracle?
Guns. Lots of guns.
Neo, no one has ever done anything like this.
That's why it's going to work.
They gather a lot of momentum. They gather a lot of weapons along the way. As you can see, we got this rising uptrend support. We got the micro term and the short term, mid term, long term, all the moving averages supporting the bulls, not to mention cultivation of higher highs and higher lows. So we have all the momentum there. So, and not again, and we also have the oscillator with the full energy support. So as the buyers get up there to battle with the boss bears, if bulls truly want to turn things around and stop letting the bears bully them around for the month of February, this is gonna be the battle of the year right here at 410, 411. I'm gonna come back for you. We'll reassess the situation. Enjoy evening glove training tomorrow.
There you go.
I like that clap.
Woo!